How's it hanging, folks? Andrew from IDB here. Fibaro makes a ton of great smart home accessories, both for HomeKit and non-HomeKit homes. Here at CES, they are debuting the button. This new button joins their HomeKit compatible products, including their different sensors and all the other products they've released over the years. This new button allows you to control several different HomeKit scenes just by pressing the button. For HomeKit homes, you can program 3 different controls in here: 1 press, 2 presses, or a long hold. So 3 different scenes can be enabled, and then of course you have the option to use it with ZWave or any of your other ZWave stuff, and in that case you get 6 or 7 different controls that you can program in here. Of course, the limitation on a HomeKit is just tied to Apple's restrictions and something they can't really get around, at least not at this point. If that loosens up in the future, maybe we could see added controls to the button, but right now you are limited to 3 things for the button on HomeKit. So this is really great, being able just to tap that button to turn on lights in a room, double tap to turn on lights in a different room, and hold it down to turn all those lights back off. This is going to be similar to the pop button, the new Elgato Eve button, and the upcoming iDevices switch. We also got an early look at an upcoming HomeKit product from Fibaro, and that is this Fibaro single switch. This actually will mount inside of your wall switch, so you can use your existing wall switch and add HomeKit capabilities. That'll be coming out hopefully later this year, I believe. I'm really excited for both of these new products, and of course, you know we will be going more hands-on when these products finally release. Let us know what you think of both of these new products down in the comments below. Click on that big red subscribe button, give us a thumbs up. And until next time, this is Andrew for IDB.